Following, right? Yeah, great. It's actually sprouted out from the verb obey, right?
And not following is
Great. Oh, David, you're smart. So, look at the subject. The subject was asked to identify which of 3 lines was equal in length to a 4th line. The other 7 people in the room were instructed to mislead the subject with incorrect answers. Guys, can you see the magic number? The other 7 people. Right. And in the sample sentence, question sentence, a soldier was sitting among 7 other people, and the other 7 people comes next. So probably the answer will be either 1 or 2, but guys, which one's more? Which one's better? Is 1 better to fit in, or 2 is better to fit in? Why, Kelly? Why 1 is better? No, there's another reason. Pronoun clue. Think about the pronoun clue.
experiments.
Nope. Great, the subject. Can you guys take a look at the sample sentence again? Can you see this? Is that a subject or the subject? A subject. If you want to write something down, right? Okay, let's see. Kevin, do you have a pet? Is there anybody who has a pet? Elise, what pet do you have? A dog. Let's take a look at that. Oh, are you sure? Elise has a dog. So if you want to say something, if you want to mention a noun for the first time in the sentence or the whole passage, you have to specify, like you have to write down an article, right? And then if you want to repeat the same noun as an object or subject again in the next sentence, and then you guys have to say like, the dog is super cute, right? Then you have to mention the dog again with article, another article, dog, right? So it's undefined and defined, right? So this is a kind of a clue, and then dog, right? So have a look at this. All subject, and then what can you see? The subject here. Oh, one more time. The subject, right? So we need to put this sentence in between the first sentence and then next sentence. So 1 is the correct answer. Now do you get it, right? So you need to use the tactic to solve the sentence insertion question. All right? So what other question was a big deal? Number 10. All right, let's move on to number 10. Oh, it's right there. Yeah, I see. 10's right here. Huh. All right, this one's not really tricky, but Elise, can you read the question number 10? Ash?
Experiments 1 where 7 people instructed students.
Hey guys, can you figure out the question type here? What is the question type? No. In Ash's experiment, what are 7 people instructed to do? It's not inference, it's factual. Okay? David, what WH word can you see right over here? What? Right. What are 7 people instructed to do? And it's actually specified from the reading passage. So in the experiment, everybody, we were actually the Dr. Ash was testing one subject, and then the other 7 people were instructed to what? Mislead the subject with what answer?
Incorrect.
Yeah, so let's say 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Everybody knows the answer, right?
Yes.
And then Julia is the subject there. And then all the other 7 people were instructed to get her the wrong answer. So everybody's like giving you like, the answer is 3. No, answer is like 5. No, answer is like 1 plus 1 is 1. Don't you know that? Like that, right? So everybody, there's a nonsense quiz, right? 1 plus 1 becomes 1. Yeah, like that. So that becomes like a window, right? So the other 7 people have to make her get a distraction by leading her a bad answer.
Over 1 plus and 1.
Whoa, that's a great solution, right? So everybody, that is why the answer number, answer number 10 is C. But I don't understand why you guys got a wrong answer number 10. This one is too obvious to see the right answer. Factor question. And number 11. Yeah, everybody please take a look at this one again. What question type is this? Mislead. And question type. Vocabulary, right? We dealt with this one last week. So I was a bad teacher, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I was a bad teacher because you didn't get how to solve the question well by taking class just one time, right? Huh. Where's the vocabulary cue? Oh, here. I gave you guys steps to figure out vocabulary answers, right? So everybody, were there any new or embarrassing words from the passage? Everybody, look at number 0. Kelly, can you read 0? All the answers are in the passage, right? And then what you guys have to look carefully, synonym, in other words, similar words, right? And then what about antonym? Opposite words, right? And also you guys have to look carefully in the previous sentence and next sentence, right? And you have to figure out the definition well. And also relative pronouns are really important. So let's have a look at mislead. And then look back to the reading passage. So right there is a question in mislead here. David, can you read it from the other 7 people?
The other 7 people in the room were instructed to read the subject.
With what answer?
Incorrect.
Yeah, everybody, this is what? Synonym, right? Incorrect answer. It's just actually same as misleading the person. So, can you see that? The answer is in the passage and just right next to the question sentence, right? It's in the same sentence.
Negative.
Yeah. So you should find out the negative vocabulary. Look at test. Is that test? No. Is that punish?
No.
Punish is like giving you guys like punishment. Hitting or oh, something like that. Is that supporting?
No.
So what is the negative answer? Treat. You have to make the person get confused, right? Yeah. And then 12 is, guys, reference question. Everyone repeat after me. Reference. Yeah, reference is finding out the right noun from the reference, right? So there's going to be the question with a pronoun, and then you should find out the right noun or right expression related to this pronoun. Is that singular or plural? Plural, right? So you have to go back right there or here. And most of the time, guys, reference question's answer is, are they in a previous sentence or next sentence? Most of the time, previous sentence. Or most of the time, before this question. All right. So, Kelly, can you read it from all the teachers? Please see the parallel clue. Teachers, this is the subject, right?
Yes.
Teachers could not see the learners object, right? And then the first day, they are teachers. And then they could hear what? The learners. So we have to see the same object from the previous clause, right? It's in the same sentence, but that is another clause, right? Clause 1 and clause 2. So everybody, what would be the right answer?
C.
Yeah, C, perfect. So 13 and 14 was a trap. Only one person got right from 13 and 14. All right, everybody, let's go back to 13 again. Julia, can you read number 13?
Why does the author mention actors?
Yeah, why does the author mention actors? Everyone, what is the question type of number 13? Why does the author mention actors? So actors is what? Kevin, David?
Actors is
Keyword, right? And you have to find out why does the writer say actors? This is guys' purpose question. Alright? There's a reason why actors is there. It's not for fun, right? So let's go down and then let's find out actors. Julia, can you find out the actors? Where is the actors?
Luckily, the shop was there.
Uh-huh. Luckily, the shock box was just a prop. And the learners were just actors. So was this a real electric shock?
No.